actually been a 3-stage cleaning process for this house just because of the sheer size of it. And really my request for cleaning is everything has to be perfect. Perfect means all the way down to the window screens, wiping inside the sills, cranking out the casement windows, wiping around the windows. I want to see everything as if it's perfect. I'm a little bit OCD when it comes down to getting things almost perfect. So most people wouldn't even think about it, but when I sit down and I look at this, I want to see like no joints, no cracks, no nothing. And most people aren't going to go to this level. I just like to do it because I do a lot of the custom trim in these homes. So unless I can get it perfect, I'm not going to install it.